Welcome to our roundup of the best mini-ITX cases for compact yet powerful PC builds. Whether you're planning a sleek gaming setup, a space-saving workstation, or a minimalist desk aesthetic, choosing the right mini-ITX case makes all the difference. These small form factor cases are designed to maximize performance in tight spaces, offering smart airflow designs, GPU support, and premium materials without the bulk of traditional towers. In today's list, we have selected 5 standout mini-ITX cases that combine style, cooling efficiency, smart layouts, and build quality. We will break down each model's design, airflow system, GPU compatibility, cooling support, cable management, and overall building experience to help you find the perfect fit for your next compact build. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal mini-ITX case for you. The first on the list is the SSUPD Meshroom D mini-ITX case. The Meshroom D is designed for builders who want flexibility and airflow in a compact footprint. Featuring a full mesh panel design, support for full-size graphics cards, and multiple layout configurations, this case delivers serious performance potential in a small form factor. Unlike many mini-ITX cases that restrict GPU length, the Meshroom D accommodates large, modern graphics cards without compromising airflow. One of its biggest strengths is ventilation. The mesh panels on multiple sides allow unrestricted airflow, making it ideal for high-performance CPUs and GPUs. This open airflow concept keeps temperatures under control even during demanding gaming sessions or rendering tasks. Builders who prioritize thermals will appreciate how effectively heat is exhausted without relying solely on high-speed fans. The case also supports various cooling setups, including air cooling and liquid cooling configurations. You can install multiple fans and even fit a radiator depending on your layout. The internal layout is modular, allowing builders to configure components vertically or horizontally. This flexibility makes it easier to balance airflow and cable management according to your build preferences. Despite its small size, cable routing is manageable thanks to thoughtful spacing and removable panels. The build quality feels solid, and the minimalist industrial aesthetic blends well in both gaming and professional setups. Overall, the Meshroom D is an excellent choice for enthusiasts who want strong airflow, flexible layouts, and support for powerful hardware in a compact mini-ITX build. Next up is the Fractal Design Ridge miniITX PC gaming case. The Ridge stands out with its console-style slim profile, versatile vertical or horizontal orientation, and high airflow side ventilation. This case is perfect for users who want a PC that blends seamlessly into a living room or minimalist workspace. Its slim, modern design makes it look more like a gaming console than a traditional computer tower. Despite its narrow form factor, the Ridge supports full-length graphics cards, which is impressive considering its compact dimensions. The layout is carefully engineered to separate the GPU chamber from the motherboard section, helping manage thermals efficiently. This compartmentalized approach improves airflow and prevents heat buildup around critical components. Cooling is another strong point. The side panels are heavily ventilated, allowing cool air to flow directly over the GPU and CPU area. It also supports multiple fans and low-profile CPU coolers, making it suitable for mid to high-tier gaming builds. Builders looking for a clean and organized interior will appreciate the dedicated cable routing channels and tie-down points. The flexibility to place the case vertically or horizontally gives you freedom in desk placement. Overall, the Fractal Ridge is a sleek and space-saving mini-ITX case that delivers strong GPU support and excellent airflow while maintaining a premium modern aesthetic. Next, we have the Jonsbo TKO Black ITX Mini Tower PC case. The Jonsbo TKO combines tempered glass side panels, compact vertical tower layout, and optimized airflow support into a stylish small build solution. Unlike ultra-slim ITX cases, this mini tower design gives you a bit more room to work with, making the building process easier for beginners. The tempered glass panels provide a clean showcase for RGB components and custom builds. If you enjoy displaying your graphics card, memory lighting, or custom cables, this case offers strong visual appeal. Its vertical structure also makes it feel more like a traditional tower, which can be more comfortable for first-time small form factor builders. Overall, the Jonsbo TKO is an ideal for builders who want a stylish tempered glass mini ITX case that offers easier installation and solid airflow performance. Next, we have the Lian Li A4-H2O miniITX case. The A4-H2O is engineered for performance-focused compact builds, offering a sandwich layout design, support for large GPUs, and 240mm liquid cooling compatibility. This case is designed in collaboration with small form factor enthusiasts, and it shows in its intelligent space utilization. The sandwich layout separates the motherboard and graphics card into two chambers connected with a riser cable. This structure improves airflow distribution and allows the case to remain incredibly compact while still supporting high-end hardware. Despite its small size, it can house powerful graphics cards, making it suitable for serious gaming systems. Cooling is another strong point. The A4-H2O can accommodate a 240mm radiator, which is impressive for such a small case. This makes it possible to cool high-performance processors effectively without relying solely on air cooling. Build quality is premium, featuring aluminum panels that give it a sturdy and refined feel. The minimalist exterior design keeps things clean and professional, appealing to both gamers and content creators. Overall, the A4-H2O is a high-performance miniITX case that excels in compact liquid-cooled builds while maintaining premium construction and strong GPU support. The last one on our list is the Fractal Design Terra Jade miniITX gaming case. The Terra is a premium compact case featuring a solid anodized aluminum exterior, adjustable internal spine system, and support for high-end components in a small footprint. It combines elegant design with practical engineering, making it one of the most stylish miniITX cases available. The standout feature is its adjustable central spine, which allows you to shift internal space between the GPU and CPU cooler areas. This flexibility lets builders fine-tune the layout depending on component size, maximizing compatibility in a very compact chassis. It's an innovative approach that enhances hardware flexibility without increasing overall case size. The aluminum exterior gives it a luxurious feel while maintaining durability. The jade finish adds a distinctive touch, making it a statement piece on any desk. Ventilation is carefully integrated into the design, ensuring airflow remains steady despite its refined appearance. Overall, the Fractal Design Terra Jade is a beautifully crafted miniITX case that blends premium materials, smart internal adjustability, and compact power into one refined package. So that's it for the best miniITX cases you can choose for your next compact PC build. Whether you prioritize airflow, portability, aesthetics, or liquid cooling support, there's an option here that fits your needs. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.